I've been sitting here for about 5 minutes now, just listening to the birds. I've got one of those apps on your phone that can tell you what birds are singing around you. So I turned it on, and within 3 minutes, I must have had 10, 12 different species of bird. Blue tit, great tit, blackbird, song thrush, goldfinch, buzzard, pheasant, green woodpecker I had, even had a siskin. And I don't think I ever saw any of them, but I could hear them. Those apps are really good. They're really accurate as well, and just makes you realize what all those birds are. They are out there and you can hear them. What made me do this was the fact that for the last 3 days, having checked the trail cam over the badger set, that female roe deer that I've been seeing for the last few weeks now, for the last 3 days, she's come up and just sat down in front of the badger set and just sat there for about 15 minutes, taking it all in. She must feel safe there, and I thought, I'm going to do that. I'm going to just sit here and listen. Anyway, download one of those apps and you'll be surprised all the different birds you can hear. Bye.